To schedule recurring payments with Zelle, start by ensuring you have a Zelle account through your bank or credit union, or by downloading the Zelle app. Zelle is a fast, safe, and easy way to send and receive money, and scheduling recurring payments can help you stay on top of regular expenses like bills or rent. First, access your Zelle account through your bank's mobile app or website, or through the Zelle app itself. Look for the option to send money and select the recipient you want to pay, or add a new recipient if necessary. Enter the amount you want to send and select the account you want to use to fund the payment. Next, check if your bank or the Zelle app offers the option to schedule recurring payments. Not all banks offer this feature, so you may need to check with your bank to see if it is available. If it is, you will typically see an option to set up a recurring payment when you are sending money. To set up a recurring payment, select the frequency of the payment, such as weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. You will also need to specify the start date and end date for the payments, or choose to make the payments ongoing. Make sure to review the payment details carefully to ensure everything is correct. It is also important to note that you can only send money to recipients who have already enrolled. With Zelle, if the recipient has not enrolled, you will not be able to send them money, even if you try to schedule a recurring payment. Once you have set up the recurring payment, you will receive a confirmation, and the payments will be sent automatically according to the schedule you specified. You can also track the payments and cancel or modify them if needed. Best practices for scheduling recurring payments with Zelle include double-checking the payment details to ensure accuracy, keeping track of your payment schedule, and monitoring your account to ensure the payments are being sent correctly. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily schedule recurring payments with Zelle and stay on top of your regular expenses.